Alright, back on the Camaro. You can see here I've got the patch in. I just got it set up with magnets. The only two gaps that I'll have to worry about are this one. That's where I started. I started this with a cutoff wheel and then went from there to an air saw. And you can see the difference in the gaps. But that's pretty much how you have to do it. Same deal over there. I started one there, but won't be any problem to fill that in. Anyway, pretty good gaps, pretty tight, just about right. So I'll get that welded back in and show you what it looks like. Also over here, I'm working this metal up, and what I've done is this is black magic marker, one of these really fat Sharpies. It's here. Just color the metal. That way you can sand it and see where highs and lows are. I've already worked it over here a little bit, and I pulled up and through here. Still a little bit low through here, and I'll keep working that up. Anyway, this little machine here is awesome. Got a magnet on this side, and this is basically welds to, see if you can see, basically you put it on the metal where it's low, which would be like right there, hit it, and then you can pull up and tap down around the areas as you're pulling that dent up, and then just pull it off. Doesn't put a hole in the metal. You can just, that little kit right there, you just knock it off, grinder, sandpaper, piece of cake. Anyway, works pretty good. I picked that up off Craigslist pretty cheap, so pretty lucky on that one. Anyway, I'll bring you back when I start working these up a little better. Alright, I got this blacked in here. I'm going to sand it down a little bit, show you where the highs and lows are. I'll set the camera up here. Alright, right here you can see it's still low. This area is all coming back up. I had a pretty good low spot here, but it's all coming back up. This side I haven't really worked yet too much, and you can see right through there it's low, so I'm going to have to pull up on that, tap down around in here, and pull it up. Alright, right there you can see I've got several little spots that I pulled up. I'll go ahead and sand it down and see where we're at. Alright, there you can see it's got smaller. I'll keep working it. Alright, I'm kind of metal working this up. Still got a little bit of lows here. I'm going to pull that just a little bit more. What I'm using is a metal file. This one right here. Run it across through here. And these here is just my lows. I can go ahead and work that up a little bit to where that's just solid, smooth metal. You won't even have to use filler in there. Like I said, you could do a whole car like this, but it would take a long time and cost a lot of money. So, but yeah, I just thought I'd work this dent up, metal work this dent up. I may try to do some of these like that too, but we'll see. Well, there you go. Back on this, I just got this tacked in. See, I put a tack every inch or so. Kind of get it set up where I need it, and then I'll fill all those tacks in. But I think that's going to work out pretty good. Fiddle them in a little bit. I'm kind of jumping back and forth between the door and this. But the door here had a pretty good little dent right here. I worked it out. Metal worked it. It's got a few little imperfections here, but shouldn't be any problem. Alright, there's the complete weld. Patch in. Let it grind that all down and we'll be done. The door. Got this out. Obviously that one. These. A couple little spots, but it's on a seam right here. And you probably can't see that, but that's really hard to work that out because it's all pressed right there and welded together. So a couple more small areas I gotta take care of, but the door's coming along pretty good. Anyway, that's update. Alright, there it is. All ground down. So there you go, I'm done for tonight.